money. So I'm here alone in this moment, but I want to talk to you first about just money, right? How do you get money? What do you need money for? Um, what is the energy of money? Everybody has this really weird, and not everybody, but there are some really weird concepts as it pertains to money. And these are very old, for the most part, old paradigms, right? Um, Money doesn't grow on trees. Um, Only people, money, if you love money, then, you worship the devil. Like, money, to love money, to have money, to want money is a sin. All of those types of things. Got it? All of those types of things are going on, right? With how people think and feel about money. Sometimes people are like, I don't want to have too much money because then people will want things from me. There's some people out here who don't want money because then they're going to have to pay tax on the money. They don't want the responsibility, of the money. They um I don't know. There's like a million and one different things pertaining to how money makes people feel. People don't talk about money. People don't want to share money information. It is like, very, very shush shush. And it is on a lot of levels. Most people have a very negative feeling and emotions that come up surrounding money. But it doesn't have to be that way because if you have all of these